This is Matt with Mobility 101, and right now we're going to go over some common issues we see in terms of the ankle and feet and how to clean them up with respect to Olympic lifting and powerlifting, okay? So the biggest thing we want to do first is test the squat just to see how much range of motion we have in that ankle first. Getting a sense of an idea of what it feels like and how much we gain there, okay, just by a simple squat test. So first one we're going to attack is a plantar flexion based mobility drill, okay? I'm going to show you on the table because I think it's a better representation of what we're looking at versus showing you on the floor. Okay, but by all means use the floor if you need to. And I think it's also better to show barefoot. So if you have to do it in your shoes, your Ola shoes, or your regular training kicks, not a problem at all. I just want to show you for the video purposes and demo, okay? So the goal is cleaning up that space in the front and eliminating as much as we possibly can. Okay, so pressing your feet down, pointing the other way, and try to think, adding some overpressure using your body weight, shifting side to side, anchor down at your heels if you need to, shifting side to side, and again, you're going to feel this stretch in that kind of anterior compartment right in the front of the ankle and the top of the foot, so above and below. All I'm doing is just shifting side to side, adding a little bit of overpressure. So that's, again, testing plantar flexion. Now we're going to go into dorsiflexion. Something simple as grabbing onto a power rack or a sturdy pole or a table, just something that can pin you down and where you can add some overpressure in different angles over that ankle joint. So I'm going to go down to a deep squat, and I'm going to just kind of angle and use my knee as the driver to kind of get into some of those tissues that are often ignored, okay? All the while trying to keep my heel flat as I possibly can. And using your knee as the driver, really pressing down, okay? You're gonna feel this in the back of the Achilles as well as the front of the ankle too. Making sure to get both sides and really trying to keep that heel as flat as possible. And you can kind of take note of the side-to-side difference. So for me, my left ankle lacks a bit, so I'm not getting as much flattening of the heel there, but as opposed to the right side, okay? So keeping an eye on those things is pretty important too. Okay, and again, once you've done the plantar flexion based ones and the dorsiflexion based one, you're going to want to retest that squat, and you should see a bit of a difference there in terms of how low you can go and how much ankle range of motion flexibility you have. Okay, so give those a shot. I hope they help. Thanks.